So now we want a robot to give a general response, right? We don't, if we aren't searching for um, if we don't find out what question they're asking, right? So if our program doesn't account for the question that they're asking, and so the way that we're going to do that, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and convert my algorithm back to the way it was. So if contains old. Right? Okay, and so the way we're going to do that is we're going to go to data and we're going to make a new variable. We're going to call it found. Or maybe we shouldn't call it found. Maybe we can call it answered. It's probably a better way to do it. Let's go ahead and make another variable. Let's call this one answered. And we're going to set answered to false in the very beginning when we first start our program. And then we're going to set our answer to true, right? If the question was answered. So we're right here. The question was answered, right? And it says I'm 307 years old. I'm going to set my answer variable to true. Okay? And then now here at the bottom, what I can do is I could check to see if that's true. I can say if the answered variable is equal to true, is equal to false, right? That means if I run through my program and answered is equal to false, that means my program didn't have a proper response for the user's question. So now I can go in here and I could say, I don't know the answer to that question, right? And so let me go ahead and run that. It says I'm a chatbot. Ask me anything, you might be surprised. And I'm going to put in here, are you a dinosaur? I don't know the answer to that question. Why? Because our algorithm did not look for that. It didn't look for the word dinosaur or are or you, and it didn't have a response for it. The only thing our algorithm right now is searching for is if the word old is in the question. Right? So since we didn't answer correctly, it's going to come down here and it's going to say, I don't know the answer to that question.